Hey. Ow! It was a bug. Look at that. Every day I run into these amazing people. And it just makes me love the RV life so much more. Okay, it's time to go. Oh no, it's still in there. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Things You Do When You're Single with No Kids. Y'all, today is cleaning day. You see the title, see the thumbnail. It's like a slight cleaning day because I literally just changed my sheets and stuff. But we're going to the laundromat. We have to take the trash out. And I just want to show you guys and document how I clean my little tiny trailer on a semi-cleaning day. So let's jump right into it. All right, y'all. I promise I will do better at listing the links in my description because I told you guys about this trash can in one of my videos. And now I'm just going to show you guys how this little cute diaper trash can works. It's like it keeps the smell out, okay, because it's a diaper trash can. Duh. This is where you throw the trash away. Then you have this second lid that really helps you keep like anything that you don't want to attract bugs and stuff. So love this little trash can, and I'm gonna show you guys how I change it. You just take this thing out, pull this little lever down on the side. It pops open. See how full it is? And then you pull down, which I have to show you guys how to change the trash bag because it's like this really extremely long trash can that you put inside here. And this is how you're able to continuously change it until you have to change the main big trash bag. I hope that makes sense. But when you pull it down, it's this little cut. It's like literally a cutter right here. And when you pull it down long enough for you to tie the bag, you take it on the side and you just cut it. And that's it. And you have a little thing so you can tie the bag. And that's it. And now we're gonna go throw this out. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I pull this down to make sure it's ready so I can throw things away again. Anyways, we're gonna put that to the side. Before I pull the trash can out, I like to just wipe it down. So we're gonna wipe it down first. Now that we have it wiped down, so you pretty much you pull the trash back out as much as you want. Not that much, just a little bit. And then you're gonna put a knot on the end of the trash can. Now you're ready to use it. That's simple. So when I come in, I like to pull it open a little more just to make sure it's enough room. So when I start throwing things away, it's enough room. And then it's like really wide. So you're able to throw away a good amount of things. Like I can go a few days before I have to change the trash can actually with it being this small. But yeah, then you just close it. So the inside is done. I do like to still wipe down the top of the trash can just to, you know, keep it nice and sanitary. I do want to mention that this comes in a very large size. So this is a Decker brand. There's a Diaper Genie brand, which I don't think Diaper Genies come in the mini trash cans, which I don't know, they may, but you can buy this in a bigger size if you want to utilize this trash can and you don't necessarily need the mini one. Now our trash can is clean and it's ready to use again. So I actually keep this inside of the shower when I'm not showering. It's just easier, just depends, TMI, but for the most part, I don't really like to put the RV toilet paper down the toilet. Even though I have RV toilet paper, I just like to put it in the trash can. It saves me more time for me having to dump my black tank. But so I keep this inside the bathroom. Plus it just gives me more space. I'm in a tiny RV. All right, guys, now that we have changed the trash can, there's still some things I need to do inside, but I want to get rid of the trash. We're going to go ahead and head outside the RV, go to the dump. There's some things I also need to throw away outside the RV. We're going to go ahead and head to the dump, get all the trash away, and we're just going to go ahead and head to the laundromat and get this over with. And then when we come back, we'll finish cleaning up the inside. A little small side note, do you guys drink the Celsius energy drink? This is a Celsius sparkling grape rush. It's no sugar, but baby, these drinks, oh, they be giving me some. You know how they be like, Red Bull gives me wings? No, Celsius gives me wings. Y'all should try it, and it's actually pretty good. Baby, it is hot out here. Oh my God. Y'all, let's go ahead and speed this up so we can get this over with. I don't want to get on here and start making like unrealistic content. Like I just want y'all to get the raw, authentic me. And I just want y'all to know I am not perfect, okay? So I get on here and try to make content for y'all, but like, baby, from the flood, I have not thrown out these rugs that were from the flood because it's just been so nasty and rainy these past few days. I haven't had a chance to get to it, so it has been sitting right here. And now that it's cleaning day. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I keep like non-food related things in here. So like if I get packages, my dog shit, when I have to pick up his dog poop, because I don't have an outside trash can, I don't put any type of food or anything in here, but it's a little full. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this out as well. All right, so here's all the junk and trash that I have to take over to the dump. The dump is so far, guys. I know I could put this stuff in my car, but like a lot of it is wet and I really don't want to put it in my car. So we are about to put this on top of my Jeep and we're gonna see if I can drive really slow to the dump and pray that it doesn't fall off. Fingers crossed. Okay, hold on first. Okay. This is not. There was a bug. There was a bug in there. Oh God. Oh God. All right, it's still actually on there. You know what? I'm gonna let you do your big one. You can stay right there, buddy. Won't even bother you. We're gonna clean that off when we get back. We're gonna spray it down. Some bleach. You guys think I can make it? Well, I can't really see. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can see out the driver's seat. Oh, it's hot in here. Oh, I can see. It's not that bad. I could like see right there and I'm going like 2 miles per hour. Y'all, hold on. It's hot. Let me get this AC going. Y'all, it is 95 degrees out here. It is hot. All right, y'all, we're about to see if we can make it. We're about to drive super freaking slow. All right, so my camera fell, but still inching closer and closer. We're almost there. All right, y'all, we made it to the dump station and nothing fell off. Oh, it's okay, I can do it. Okay, oh, you're so, okay. Oh, so sweet, thank you so much. And when we say the RV community is nothing but beautiful, sweet people, I was literally just talking about this yesterday when we went to the RV park, that people in the RV community are just so freaking sweet and so helpful. He's so nice. Yeah.
Yeah, I had a stroke last February.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I thank you him, and I thank you that man.
Yes, amen.
The more I can do, the better off.
That is true. God bless you. Yes, sir. Thank you. You have a good day. So sweet. Wait, but every day I run into these amazing people and it just makes me love RVing, the RV life so much more. God bless him. That was so sweet. All right, y'all, we made it to the laundromat and it's really quiet. So it's just me and we're about to get these clothes washed. Let me show y'all. They have these 2 big ones, which I don't know, it gets a little busy in here on Sundays, but they only have 2 big ones and then they have a bunch of little ones. And then they have this money machine where you can add money to your card. So when you come here, you can just scan the card to wash your clothes. Oh no, I just realized, oh my God, I did not bring my detergent. Is this, oh, they have laundry detergent, thank God. Oh my God. It's actually value, but hey, listen. So I'm broke. Dang, we gotta add money to the card, y'all. I kind of knew it was empty. That's why I brought this 20 in here. Just wanted to make sure. So you just put the card in, remove the cord. Please wait, add value processing. Period, balance is $21.75. I'll do delicate warm start. All right, 20 minutes and it'll be done. I just stick around because 20 minutes is not long. Hello, how you doing? Excuse me, thank you. I just stick around because 20 minutes is not that long. We just hang out in a little lounge area. So y'all, they have shuffle puck, but like, it's like a bowling version of shuffle puck. So let's see. All right. And I guess I'm supposed to like roll it and I guess see how many I can hit. It's not a strike. Okay, so the shuffle puck, I know, it's to see how far you can go without falling off of, you know, the board. So that's the one we're gonna play. All right, let's see how far I can go without falling off. That was terrible. Let's go outside. We're gonna go explore outside. I'm sure you guys have seen this beautiful park plenty of times in my videos. In case you didn't, in case you're new here, look at this beautiful view. The lake is so pretty. I probably should have put on a timer. Let's go ahead and start a, I don't know, 15-minute timer. It said 20 minutes when I left. So we're gonna start a little quick 15-minute timer so we can come back and put it in the dryer. And then we're gonna go back and finish cleaning up because it's like, it takes like 40 minutes for it to dry. So we're gonna leave and come back. But I wanna go to the pool. Maybe I should go to the pool today. This is the pool. Oh, let's sit and put our feet in the pool, guys. Oh, this feels nice. Wow, this actually feels really good. Let's hope I don't drop my camera. I don't know, who was a bee? I don't know, y'all. I might go put on my bathing suit and come back and relax in the pool today. Oh, what's up? Oh, bitch. Okay, it's time to go. All right, my alarm went off. We're headed back to go put the clothes in the dryer. But not gonna lie, this is the perfect time to come out at this time at the RV park because everybody's at work. So it's super slow, nobody's out, and it's very like just quiet and relaxing. All right, y'all, so we put it on for 35 minutes. We're gonna head back to the trailer so we can finish cleaning up, and then I'll come back and get the clothes. All right, guys, after driving about 10 minutes from the laundry room back to my trailer, because you have to go 5 miles, I made it back, and we're about to clean out this little nasty little trash can bin I be using, and then we're gonna make our way back inside the trailer. We are going to turn the water spigot off. Let's turn it off to unhook it. Gonna use this to clean off our bucket. Good morning. It's breakfast. Why is that song stuck in my head, bro? It's stuck in my head. All right, let's turn it back on. Yeah, you see, gotta be small. Yeah, I pinched that so it didn't go whoop. I should get one of those things. I should get one of the things to put on it when I need to use it so I can have a little spray thing called a little loop in it. We caught a loop in the water. This water feels good. All right, I'm gonna go get some cleaning spray to spray it down, rinse it off again, and we're done. Y'all, it's hot. Y'all, I was so thankful for the people that come and cut the grass. They came and like use the leaf blower to like clean off my area. I was so freaking happy. So let's put the rug back out. Oh, so hot out here, y'all. Hooch out, let's head inside. Hi, baby. Hi, Papa boy. Hi, Papa boy. Hi, stinky man. Are you being a good boy? Were you being a good baby? It should not be that hot outside. It should not be that hot, you know? Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at my cute slippers. Do you like them? Ain't they so cute? I know. You ain't gotta tell me. I have this leash that like is really long and allows him to kind of be out in the grass and outside for a little bit when I'm not out there with him. Y'all, look at this cute little mini broom. So it has like 2 parts to it. So like if you need it really small, you can like unscrew it. But it's so cute. I got it from Amazon. And then it has a cute little dustpan. I know, it's so cute. All right, now that we're done sweeping, this is my cute little mini mop. And I got this from Amazon and it comes with like different, I wanna say like 4 extra different attachments for the mop. And my little simple mop routine, I just spray this all-purpose Lysol spray on my floor and then I use this to mop it. That's it, real simple. Okay, so I actually just changed my sheets. So we're not changing the sheets today because I think I just did it literally a few days ago. But I use this vacuum cleaner to just vacuum out the bed, and I do it like every day. I probably do it like twice a day, I'm not gonna lie, just to make sure I'm not sleeping with bugs. So that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna make the bed. Okay, so along with using the vacuum cleaner, this is also a really long little like lint roller thing that you can use to also make sure that you get anything that's in the bed, bugs, hair, whatever. It just helps, especially if you have animals. It's really useful. I will make sure I tag the link below as well. Look at that. I mean, most of it is lint and hair, but like what? And then you just rip it off and you got a fresh one. Let's do it again. All right, guys, it's nice and clean and it smells so good. Before we head outside to close this video out, let me just show y'all what it looked like. All right, we got the bed nice and made. I took somebody's advice. Someone commented below and said a nice little curtain to block off the clothes down there will look nice. So I put a curtain down there. Floor's all clean. Yes. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. You wanna say hi, Papa? Yeah, that good baby, that good baby. But yeah, it's all nice and clean. Also, the same one that's over here, we have the same one in front. So like when I am in here just chilling, oh my God! Ah! I just had a whole panic attack. I know y'all seen that bug. Good Lord, that just pissed me off. I didn't knock this whole thing. Oh, I think it got out though. I opened the door fast enough for it to get out. That's just, y'all, the struggle is real. And I think this is, oh no, it's still in there. Where is it? It's still in there. Hold on, let's get some spray. I don't know where it went. Oh my God, I think it's still in here. Oh my God. Show must go on. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video cleaning with me. I really was about to come out here and set up the outside area and sit down for a little bit, but that just pissed me off. I'm about to go inside, take a shower, and edit this video. But before I go, make sure you tune into tomorrow's video. Not tomorrow, but the next day's video, because this is tomorrow's video. I am gonna do a little camping video. We're gonna be outside hanging out, so make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Things You Do When You're Single with No Kids.